If I could ever turn back time and do it all again, you know that I would, you know that I would. And if I could live it every night and do it all again, you know that I would.
Good morning, New York. Okay, I'm under the construction things, but we're in Soho. It's so pretty. Okay, this is Valeriya, and look at this car. What happened to its wheels? I mean, I'm sorry, what? So pretty. It was like raining like 10 minutes ago, just like a little droplets. But now we're in Soho, and yeah, we're just gonna walk around, look at the stores. So we're gonna go to Valeriya right now, because like on the second floor they give out free drinks, and it's so fun because I really want to do that. And yeah, how is New York so pretty? Okay, we're going to Valeriya.
And if I knew what the end would feel like, it feels like. If I could ever turn back time and do it all again, you know that I would, you know that I would.
Is this the best iced coffee I've ever tasted? Yes. Was it free? Also yes. Do I recommend for you guys to come here? Definitely, 100%. Come here, get their iced vanilla latte, it's amazing.
'Cause I got no regrets, looking back, wouldn't trade with nobody else. 'Cause I got no regrets, looking back.
You guys, look at this building. This is so good for pictures. Oh my god, yes. You guys, we just took some bomb-ass pictures like in front of this building. It's so pretty, and like with the white, it's like exactly what I want for my Instagram pictures, like a white building. So yeah, and now we're just walking around, and then you can see like a lot of like the outside stairs. It's so cool, but it's such a beautiful day. It's really hot though. It's gonna be like 35 today, and I'm already sweating. Oh my god. But yeah, I really want to go to Central Park today if we manage to get there, because right now we're in Soho, which is quite far by foot. But if we manage to do it, then that'll be fine. But if not, that's okay. So yeah, we're just walking around. I think the Flatiron building is just right over there, so we should be able to get there. And yeah. Oh my god, look at the food. Stop it. Whoa. Oh my god. You guys, we walked all the way to the Flatiron building, and you want to see something disappointing? It's under construction. Of course it is. Anyways, so we just bought some fruits, ate them at the Madison Square Park, and look at the view behind me. It's so pretty. And now we're just walking around literally the whole Manhattan, which is crazy, but we're gonna stop when we're tired. But yeah, so far so good. Update of the day. We've made it to Times Square. It's so pretty. It's currently 4 p.m. and yeah, we walked around quite a while. It's not exactly, this is not even middle Manhattan yet. Like, we still have to hit the Empire State Building, but we have been walking a lot, like a lot. I think we're at 20,000 steps, which is not bad, but like still. And now we're just gonna keep looking at Times Square. We took some really nice pictures, and yeah. So we made it to Rockefeller Center. It's so pretty there. We took some really nice pictures. So pretty here, honestly. It's like such a cute little spot. I changed, I don't know if I said this, but I changed my top, sweating my ass off, so I had to wear something else. Quick little outfit change. The Kate Spade store has the I Love New York things together. It's so cute. But yeah, so pretty here. You guys, I think I'm about to scream. Gossip Girl me is screaming right now. We're inside Grand Central Station, which is so stupid, but to me, it is like a dream. It is so nice here. Oh my god. Oh my god. Serena van der Woodsen and Blair Waldorf. Incredible. This, you guys, look at this. It's so pretty. Oh, I'm in love. Look at the ceiling. Wow. Alright, you guys, we are walking towards Central Park, finally. Yes! So, over there is the Upper East Side of Manhattan, which I really want to look after this. It's like the most... It's so different from everything we saw today. This part of Manhattan is much more my vibe. I feel like it's more sophisticated, I would say. And now we're going to Central Park, so it's going to be so nice to see the park. I haven't seen it in a while, so yay! Look at this, so pretty. Alright you guys, hi again. A little update on the happenings for tonight. So we cut the rain. My phone kept saying that there's a thunderstorm alarm and I was like, it's not gonna happen. It's not gonna happen. Well, in the middle of a stroll in Central Park, it starts pouring down rain like crazy. I'm gonna insert pictures of what it looked like. But then it rained for like 10 minutes max. Then it stopped. Now it's sunny again and there's a beautiful sunset. Now we just stopped at Dunkin' Donuts, got an avocado toast. Yeah, now we're gonna go to Trader Joe's really quickly. That is all, really. We got the car, so that's good. So now we're gonna drive. So yeah, woo! You guys look, there's a building with the Ukrainian flag. That is so nice. Whoa. Alright you guys, it's nighttime. We took the car after we went to Trader Joe's. We bought some snacks and stuff, and then after we decided to go to Brooklyn, we took the car, drove over the Brooklyn Bridge, and now we're here in Dumbo. So we kind of took a look around the Dumbo market, and now we have this beautiful view, which I'm going to show you really quickly, but it's absolutely magnificent. Like, it's so pretty. We just did a quick look around at the Taiwan market, which is really nice, and my dad over there is filming, so cute. I'll show you how beautiful this view is. Like, it's quality, like it's impeccable. Like, look at this. I mean, Brooklyn is officially my new favorite spot. Dumbo is just amazing. It's so pretty. Without the lights. Look at this view. I could stare at this every day. Like, imagine it during sunset. This would be just amazing. But yeah, so pretty. Okay guys, so we're just walking around and we're walking right under the Brooklyn Bridge, as you can see. And we just stumbled upon this thing that's called the River Cafe. It's so cute. Look, this is what it looks like. And the whole thing is made out of little sparkling stars. It's so cute. Like, this is so adorable. And then you have the bridge right there. It's adorable. It looks like something that's like straight out of a movie. I mean, wow. Look at the flowers. How is this so pretty? My God, and look at the view. I want to come here now. This is unbelievably pretty. Wow. Oh my God. Okay, we are live. Trying. I tried the strawberries and the peaches and cream, but I didn't like it, so I went for chocolate. That is good. That is really good. If you come to Brooklyn, definitely hit the spot. The chocolate is so rich and creamy. This night has been such a success. I'm really happy.